Welcome to G-Tex Designs. This episode we will be building part 3-32H, the boiler water gauge top stop screw for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Let's get building. Welcome to G-Tex Designs. This episode we will be building part 3-32H, the boiler water gauge top stop screw for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Let's get building. Let's open up part MMGS. Okay, let's do top plane. We're going to do a circle first, so sketch that. Circle. Just one circle. That's going to be 19. 19, thank you. 19. That's going to be a thickness of 2. Feature extrude 2. Oh, not 22. Oh, I thought I missed it in the first time. 2 and done. And that's going to be brass. Yep, brass. Hold on. Tick, thank you. And brass over. Beautiful. Now on top, let's go to normal 2. We want a square. And it's going to be, sketch, that helps. We're going to do the square, center rectangle it's called. That way now we've got in the middle, that's going to be 10 mil by 10 mil. So 10 by 10. And that's going extrude up 4 mil. Feature extrude 4 and done. There you go, beautiful. Now in the bottom part, that's extruded. I'm not going to worry about center. Circle, and that's going to be 12 mil. So smart dimension. 12. And that's going to extrude out 6. So feature extrude 6 and done. Beautiful. Just need to put a thread now, so we're going to go to Hole Wizard. Thread. It's going to be M12 thread. No, M10, M12, 1.5. We want to start there. Offset there. Missed. Offset, thank you. There. Come on. Hold on. Start there. Oh, that changed. That's why. Let me clear that selection. Put it there. I know it worked out the same anyway. M12, that's good. We want to trim both. And I think it's got to do extrude. Nope, we had the right one. Cut. Oh, no, cut. Yeah. Okay. We had the right one first time. And that piece is on. Just got to work out, have the thread right up to the top there. I can look at that again. I know I saw some way to do it. I just got to see that again. So that is that part done. So that's part 3-32H, the boiler water gauge top stop screw done. Hope you enjoyed the episode. Click the like button, comment, subscribe. Does appreciate it. I do appreciate it. And thank you everyone that has. I'll see you next episode. Remember, thank you very much.